Okay, I'm gonna flip these two pieces, this up and this down in the front side with these steps: minus front hide, front minus hide, sandwich front twice, minus sandwich base twice. I'm gonna do it in practice. Minus front hide, I mean hide this one, this piece here. Front minus hide, sandwich front twice, minus sandwich base twice. This is what I did: minus front hide, front minus hide, sandwich front twice, minus sandwich base twice. This I'm gonna do 3 times. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 steps I'm gonna do 3 times. This is the first time. The second time hide front, I beg your pardon, minus front hide, front minus hide, sandwich front square minus sandwich base square, minus front hide, front minus hide, sandwich front square square minus sandwich base square. You see, this piece is flip, this one is flip, the other cube is intact, nothing.